I am Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego. Only you can show me Nite Kotego. Sani friend me, I am just one. There are things you don't need a degree or money to do. There are things you don't need to be a graduate, a PhD holder, a professor to do. All you need is a mindset that pushes you to make you stay on and go through. One abrabo e wobui. Say some towa. Sa nkoyia. Sa akwansidie bi ba. Ana sinto bi ba na ekugo bi ba. Enye degree do wabo. Enye sika do wo. De hia ye adwene ni nyansem ahoɔdene. Ya wo abetimi kenya ho asode akase we ne magina no na mede nkugo. No matter how many times you have failed, there's a spirit in you that is ready to help you fight. Onyame o ma honam e fe ne body, o ma adwene e fe ne soul na mind, and o ma susum e fe ne spirit. There na other spirit ne yo. Onyame susum o de hye omu no, e gina ho ma hoodene bi a be kenya wo, na mpempenso a wonu kwa betimi aduro. Ya na enhwe honam nioma emu ho abomfia. Me de me te akura ni ba bia onyame ammo akura ammo kokase obo wiase onyame ammo sikani wa ammo hiani obo nipa onyame ammo tenten ne tetia obo ye nyina ase de so wa obo ba ne bema o ma ye nyina nyansa enti enhwete bi a wo mu emfa to hudini emfa ntwa odachi emma odachi tebo. Do not use your circumstances to determine your roadmap. However, look to the future to determine where you are going to. Do not use your present circumstances to determine your future. Your history cannot be your state of glory. But the free bano and same be a woko. When that's so, any phone what you want to so and a better be a woko. Imagine great things. Dream big. Pursue it. Even if you fail, you've tried it at once. You can always get up to do it again. Onipa wonye yi no ayo onipa otefa ko a obosobo otwe yeso abrabo yi yan akọ school man ko school bi da me de mini classmate jai ya wo no obi anche onya ese de awia wo fom ya wo no obi anche ose mredu nante ya wo no obi anche ose kama ne da tumi bi tu mu a eche ose mredu ese wo wia tumi bi tu mu a eche ose nante tututata ena tumi bi wo mu so ma o kasa sa tumi na ese okenya no. Sa tumi na tumu abiribiara ebetime kenya wo abrabom na wagina ababonum na wadi nkunim. Let your motto be it from this day, I am going to go through this too again. And somebody say o ka kire ho abiribiara say we susu mefam apie we susu mefam adi nkunim we na say o slogan and you say enye yi o ye bre o ye hin na me free jai sansam naka na ka kire say I am me, I am going to go through this one too. Abribi abeka I am no. Eye empo ye can say I am no eye ensema oka go abrabo so. Eye boshe a woka. I am going to go through this. I am blessed. I am great. I'm strong. I am better. I am wonderfully and fearfully made. I am going to become bigger and better. I am just I am can be my me ordini me nyansani me wonemde me sua mehu me ya ebebem me wonyansem ahode a betimi asinkete anya meye. I am going to remain unbroken. It doesn't matter where I find myself. I will remain unbroken. And found your baby de yemie. And found the bema be the yemie. And found the jabi and nabi de yemie. And found ya me catch me and our yachemie. And found ya yasima to abrabo me. Bibi ni wa betime bu makoma. Mejina no na mesin konwa na medin kunim. You can fight your way through every obstacle and set back to victory. Abrabo nkunim die gina wanim ne. Ena nkugo so gina wanim. Bebe odi wani akire no e ho na abeduro. Abrabo, you can fight your way through every obstacle and set yourself back to victory. Nkugo jina wanim, nkunim jina wanim, hwe nkugo abedi nkuguo ohwe empo nkunim a bedi nkunim ya na eba se abrabo nyoma nkoyi a na yehwe nkuguo ye gya wani firi nkuguo so na fa wani mbra nkunim so na hye ho dene na penyansa ne emposuahu ne nkuranhye behia na wadi nkuguo abrabo nyamba wiye okunu nwe na okunu ehia woni a wo ahode nyansa mu ehia woni a wasi nkete wo atenka mu ehia woni a wosua nyansa ehye ho nkran na obedi nkunim enyamba wiye o enyu atunya ntwae so tiasi awo akoda ni abrante ni ababa we die okunu ugina no tie ho dene na penyansa ne empo atenkam ahodne na fabubura na se de tie bia no dan kwa mabeda wa chaka se aso me fa ha ane ofa ho wo ya akoda mrebi ene wanyini onyame nka ho no nhira onyame akokuduro ne nyansa onyame nkwanhye nsem abiribiara na fagira abrabo ano unim dada yefrɛ me apostle Dr. Nita Kotego na me ne mpanimfo bi di dwumadie we me bɔna maka ne sɛn Isaac Richmond Makweba Eja weka ampedu ena Priscilla ena Empo Adele me ba ne me sounder Michael ena Osmosis me ba ne camera Edmond ena Thomas Adum TV adwumako de won doso efi MCR eba sound eba lighting ena floor management obi aka ho bi wa anya amrehwe me de me kra wa me say oni onyame entina